Hey guys, my name is Omnia, this is OmneyasWish. Today I'm going to try a glam holiday farmhouse. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to be working with this beautiful breakfast at Tiffany's. This is a gorgeous Tiffany blue, and I'm going to try to do 2 extended nail beds where the tips will be Tiffany blue, and I'll be using Petal Pink, which is DP11, and this one is DP03, and they're both in the main line. I got my crystal clear. I'm going to put down that first on the ones that I'm doing the extended nail bed. I got accents of silver, so I have chrome on. I might try to do a color block. I might not try to push it too far because it's already going too far. And then I have this is from the sub bag, the Halloween one, SB131 Fabulous. I don't know if I'll use this, but it's silver, so I took it out. I'm going to be using these water decals from Poshy Nail Designs with the buffalo. It's called Where the Wild Buffalo Plaid Roam. These are transparent, so they can go over any color. And I'm going to try to get that on the tip. And I'll probably use a deer head also, and we're gonna glam up the deer head as well. And we got some bling over here. I was looking, this is as far as I could find. I think those are snowflakes. I can't tell. I don't know if they're snowflakes or stars, but I have other more bling to go on there. And yeah, so let's get this started. I'm not going to show everything, like the boring parts, but let me get them just down and the ones that I want fully green done, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I lied, I didn't get that stuff down first. What I did was put the clear coat down on the index and the ring finger. So I took these little nail guides that I had and I put it on masking tape and then cut it out because I figured masking tape is good. It doesn't leave a residue. It's not quite as sticky. I'll be able to get it up, but as you can see, that nail guide thing is going to pop off, but it's okay. I already cut out the section, so I'm just going to fiddle with this and get it on both fingers, and then we'll go from there. I'll give you a heads up that next time I will not do this, that's for sure. Well, here I am ready to dip, and I remember, oh, you better put it on the other finger. So I just pulled that off. I knew it was going to pop off anyway, so. And this is my crooked finger. It's bent in, and no matter what I do on it, it's going to look wonky. It looks like I got it on there straight and good, right? It looks good. We'll see. We'll see. Now, I was trying to avoid the tape, because from what I've seen with the tape, it can rip up what you laid down. So right there, I'm just trying to get whatever little bit I got on there with the glue. So yeah, I end up doing 3 coats of this, just because I keep finding spots that I didn't get on my nail. It's new to me. I've never done this before. There's a lot of new things in here that I haven't done, really, I don't think. Not with dip, anyways. Not on myself. I've maybe dabbled on tips, you know, playing around. Yeah. I probably should have stopped here, but I wanted to have a decent ledge to be able to sharpen it, to file, to butt up against and file, but that was a no-no. It was a no-no. To do something like that. Because usually I only put 2 coats of color. Once in a while I'll put a 3rd coat of color on. But usually it's 2 coats and then a coat of clear. And now I've already got a clear coat on and it's already activated. Now I'm trying to pull the tape off. And I'm gonna go out of shot quite a bit. Like that side looks good, it's coming off. This side not so much. And look at how crooked that bitch is. Look at how crooked it is. And there's tape stuck in it. In both of them. There's masking tape glued on to my nail underneath the acrylic. And I could, alright, so I paused and I took the regular files. I was outside where I could see. I was outside filing, but they're
Let me just jump in real quick and say something.
too thick, so I couldn't do it.
I can't get it
So
out.
I was having trouble.
Okay.
And I think I'm talking. Hold on a second.
Just went like that in the green and then, did it the opposite way. This one I should have never did on my ring finger because this is my finger that's crooked, so everything looks straight, and then it's not, until you see it and it's not straight. So no amount of filing is going to even that up, and it's very hard trying to get in there because the other files, the bigger files, it's not deep enough to get in there. So just working with this one, and this one also has some tape right here. But I have a clear coat and what do you call it? Peel off base coat. So I wouldn't lift off my peel off base coat, but that's about as good as that one's gonna get. That's a fuck up. I should have never did it on this finger, so alright, let's continue. Live and learn, right? So, yep.
Okay, we're back after I rudely interrupted myself. I'm still getting used to doing voiceovers. I really hate them. Sometimes I forget what I did in the order that I did it. So I'm trying to stay off the pink. Do not get it on the pink when I'm doing those, what do you call it? The pink and green nails. I don't know why I left this in. Probably because I don't know. I really don't know. But I did speed it up quite a bit. Sped it up ×4 and then sped it up again. So it's sped up by, I think, 5.5 times. So now I have to go in with 3 coats because I did 3 coats of that pink. So I'm trying to build up that green to be at least level with the pink. And then I find little spots like on the sides and I just have to like fill it. And of course I'm going to be out of frame. Of course, of course, of course. The next time I will definitely use one of those French trays. So now for the water decals. I think I just start cutting one out, or I cut one out and then I pause you because you don't need to watch me cut all of them. I end up cutting out 3 in total. Yeah. So it was soaking in water and I'm going to put it on the stamper and apply it over to this nail. Now here's the trouble. It don't want to stick. It don't want to stay. And I'm thinking, how is this thing going to stick to my nail so that I can take it off the pink part? So then I remembered to use the She Modern foil glue, which I didn't even show, but I'll come back and show it in a minute. So I'm just using acetone now just to clean it up around the pink area, which would be the nail bed area, I guess you would call it. I don't know. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here. I'm trying to make something nice out of nothing at all, I guess. So it's grip gel there. So now I've got all the nails done, and I've got it half on my thumb, one completely on my pinky, and the index finger halfway done, and then the middle finger I got the deer. So I'm just trying some silver stickers. None of them's gonna work, and yeah, so I just go in and I top coat, and my battery dies. Sorry, my battery died. But you just missed the tedious work of me adding bling. I was going to matte this nail out and put top coat just over the deer and then use the chrome pen in silver. But I got scared. I was like, don't dick it up. It looks good. I was able to cover up that ugly nail with the stones, and I don't know if you can see it. Those little beads, what are they called? Micro beads or something. That was tedious, especially when you can't see. So it's done on this nail and this nail. And look at how perfect that pinky is. This one came out straight. The thumb is off. It's going sideways a little. But I am totally happy. Happy. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? For the first time, I'm like 100% happy. Happy. But, yep, my battery, I just ran and plugged it in and unplugged it so I could do this, so I can edit the video. So I hope you like this, guys. I'm really happy with it. I don't know. It's what I expected, but not, because I was planning on matte. But I like it glossy, and I think the bling is awesome on it. So tell me what you think down below. I'm getting like a definitely what would you call it, like winter farmhouse glam. It's kind of what I was going for, except for this guy, and I'm glad I called it not to do it, because I could have really screwed this up. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. The thing with the decals was, I'll explain that in the voiceover. Ended up using foil glue or foil gel or some shit like that. It'll be shown. I think I showed it. I don't know. Everything's a blur now. So that's it, guys. Next time you see this hand, the nails will be longer. They'll probably be out to here. I'm gonna take these off in a couple days and put on new ones and put on longer ones now that I'm used to this length. My other hand is almost this length, so I won't feel like Edward Scissorhands. And yeah, so bye. Oh, remember, like, subscribe to YouTube. See you later. Bye.